Welcome to Fun Tech. Today, we tackle a common but frustrating foe, the dreaded black screen of death. Whether you're running Windows 7, 8, 10, or 11, this guide will arm you with the tools to combat this digital darkness. Don't worry, we'll keep things simple and clear. First things first, don't panic. A black screen doesn't always mean your computer has gone to the great motherboard in the sky. Often, it's a sign of a solvable issue, like a loose cable or a grumpy graphics driver. We'll guide you through a series of easy-to-follow steps to diagnose and fix the problem. From basic checks to slightly more advanced solutions, we'll help you get your screen back to its bright and beautiful self in no time. So grab your trusty screwdriver just in case, and let's banish that black screen back to the digital abyss. Before we dive into the digital depths, let's start with a simple but effective solution: the power reset. This tech world equivalent of a good night's sleep can often work wonders. First, completely power down your computer. Don't just hit the shutdown button. Hold down the power button until the machine completely shuts off. Now, unplug the power cord from both the computer and the wall outlet. Wait for a full minute. This gives the system time to discharge any residual electricity and reset itself. While you wait, you can use this opportunity to grab a refreshing beverage of your choice. After the minute is up, plug the power cord back into the computer and the wall outlet. Now fire up your computer and see if the black screen has retreated. If so, great. If not, don't worry. We have more tricks up our sleeve. Sometimes, the black screen culprit is nothing more than a mischievous cable playing hide and seek. Let's make sure everything is connected as it should be. First, check the connection between your computer and your monitor. Make sure both ends of the cable are securely plugged in. If possible, try a different cable to rule out any cable-related issues. Next, examine your monitor's power cable. Ensure it's properly plugged into both the monitor and a working power outlet. If you have another power outlet available, try plugging the monitor into that one. If you're using a laptop, make sure the screen hasn't been accidentally switched off or dimmed. Check the function keys on your keyboard, usually labeled with an FN key, for any display-related controls. By ensuring all connections are secure and your display settings are correct, you might just outsmart that pesky black screen and reclaim your digital view. Graphics drivers are like the interpreters between your computer's software and its hardware, ensuring everything runs smoothly on screen. But sometimes, these drivers can become outdated or corrupted, leading to, you guessed it, a black screen. Don't worry, taming these digital beasts isn't as daunting as it sounds. Windows usually updates drivers automatically, but a manual update can sometimes do the trick. To update your graphics driver, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. Expand the Display Adapters category, right-click on your graphics card, and select Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for drivers. Windows will then scour the internet for the latest and greatest drivers for your graphics card and install them for you. Once the drivers are updated, restart your computer and see if the black screen has vanished. If not, don't despair. We have more solutions up our sleeve. Safe mode is like Windows Safe Space, a minimalist mode that loads only essential drivers and programs. This can be incredibly helpful in diagnosing and fixing black screen issues. To enter safe mode, restart your computer. As it boots up, repeatedly press the F8 key or Shift plus F8 on some systems. This should bring up the Advanced Boot Options menu. From the menu, select Safe Mode with Networking. This mode loads basic drivers and enables network connectivity, allowing you to download drivers or seek online help if needed. Once in safe mode, try updating your graphics driver again, as outdated or corrupted drivers are a common culprit for black screen woes. If the issue persists, you can try uninstalling recently installed programs or drivers that might be causing conflicts. Safe mode is your tech sanctuary, a place to troubleshoot without the clutter of unnecessary programs and drivers. Use it wisely to banish that black screen and restore your digital peace. If you've bravely ventured through all the previous steps and still find yourself staring into the abyss of a black screen, it might be time to call in the Cavalry Tech Support. Don't worry, seeking help is not a sign of defeat, but rather a wise move to save you time and potential frustration. Tech support specialists have the knowledge and tools to delve deeper into the issue and provide tailored solutions. You can contact your computer manufacturer's support team or seek help from a trusted local computer repair shop. They can run diagnostics, check for hardware failures, and perform more advanced troubleshooting steps. Remember, technology is a complex beast, and even the most tech-savvy individuals sometimes need a helping hand. Don't hesitate to reach out to the experts when needed. Now, before you embark on your black screen-busting adventures, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech troubleshooting tips and tricks. Until next time, happy computing!